Hi there, welcome back to another Bizmates for Beginners video lesson where every week we introduce a new idiom, phrase, or expression that you can use in your daily business conversation. And this week, everyone, we are going to learn game changer. So, to find out what this means, please stay tuned. But first, let's begin with a quick review of last week's lesson. Alright, everyone, so imagine I ask you, what does the team think about our new idea? And unfortunately, our idea didn't really impress them. So, how do you say that? Using the expression from last week? I'll give you 5 seconds. Are you ready? Okay, go! Alright, and time is up. If you said, unfortunately, the idea fell flat, then that's exactly right. Well done, and thank you for remembering last week's lesson. Okay, everyone, let's move on to game changer. Now, this is what I sometimes hear. Alright, so I'm talking to my good friend and colleague Taro, and we are talking about our new marketing campaign. We have this great idea, and the marketing team came up with a really interesting concept. So I said, Taro, what do you think about our new marketing approach? Isn't it great? I think it's really awesome. Taro says, yes, I think it will be a really positive impact. Okay, so maybe until now, nothing has really changed. It's kind of the same style or the same approach. So things are going to change, and Taro thinks it will have a really big impact. Now, although this is okay, you might hear a native English speaker say this. Yes, I think it will be a game changer. All right? So whenever something is going to really have a big impact and change how things are currently, it's a game changer. Okay, so for example, a long time ago, people were using horses, okay, for transportation. But when the car, the automobile came into the market, it was a real game changer. Okay, it changed everything. The internet, of course, was a huge game changer, all right? Maybe in the future, something like virtual reality or augmented reality or artificial intelligence or machine learning, maybe these things will be game changers, okay? So anything that has a really big impact and is going to change the current situation completely is a game changer. All right, everyone? Okay, now pronunciation, it's as you see it here, so please repeat after me. I think it will be a game changer. Your turn. Excellent. All right, now after my question, so what do you think about our new marketing approach? All right, good. So I think it'll be a game changer. Okay, everyone, so please remember this for next time. Okay, so our bonus question this week is another way to say have much work. If you know what the answer is, feel free to leave it in the comments below. If you don't know what the answer is, well, you are in luck. It's in one of our previous videos. So I covered it before. So if you've got some time, see if you can find the answer there. Okay? All right, everyone. So that is it for me this week. Thank you always for watching. Have a great weekend, everyone, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.